Inside the courtroom, Elizabeth Holmes showed absolutely no emotion. She sat there stone-faced almost the entire time. She at one point looked down, and the jury really didn't look at her either. When they read out the verdict and the jury was escorted out, Holmes got up, walked over to her family, her partner, Billy Evans, her parents, embraced them. Her dad kissed her on her forehead, and she left the courtroom. Now, she got a mixed verdict here. The jury convicted her of 4 counts relating to defrauding investors, but found her not guilty of 4 counts relating to the patients. They also deadlocked on 3 counts, and the judge declared a mistrial on those 3 counts. Now, some people say that this was a case of money versus humanity, but there's really a lot more going on here. Legal experts tell me pretty much all along, they've told me that it would be really hard to convict her on the patient counts, that there was really no paper trail when you compared it to the investor counts. And really, this jury might have just concluded that Elizabeth Holmes did not intend to defraud the patients, that they were just collateral damage along the way, Brian.
Yeah, they were still, though, Yasmin, guilty on 4 counts. Under federal sentencing guidelines, I understand it's upwards of 20 years, although what I read last night indicates most people do not believe she would spend 20 years in prison. What kind of sentencing might Ms. Holmes face?
Holmes is facing up to 60 years if you count the maximum amount for the 4 counts that she was found guilty for. It's entirely up to the judge here, and it's going to be up to her defense attorneys to basically ask the judge to give her a lighter sentence. They're going to look at her prior record. They're going to say that she showed some remorse. She's a young mom, and they're going to ask to cut her some slack. But really, you've got to wonder what Elizabeth Holmes is thinking this morning. She was once the darling of Silicon Valley. She was a billionaire, at least on paper, and now she is facing some major prison time.